So she's the last member of her family. They started out with 8, down to 4, and now she's the only one left. She's a fighter. I thought she wouldn't make it, but she's still fighting. I think she'll be okay. And this one over here, he started out with 6, and then down to I think it was 4, and then down to 2, and now he's the only one left. So in the wild, their percentage of surviving probably like I'll say 5% in this neighborhood. They either get killed by domestic pets, dogs, hawks, or get run over by a speedy car. So by staying here, they have the best chance of surviving to adulthood. And that guy over there started out with only 2, and we rescued him, and now he's the only one left. He doesn't want to go back to the pond. He like it here because we providing him food and everything he needs. So I'll probably take this guy to the lake, paddle boarding, maybe he feel better.